Hey everybody, this is Jeff Jones, a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is being redone, but it is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxman.com, and in this video, we're going to do some tips and tricks on this Sunday evening on a couple of things you can do on your Formuler Z11 Pro Max. So let's jump into it. With the first one we're going to talk about before we switch over is one, how to search for different channels on the general search. And also we've been having a lot of questions on how to move apps across the homepage. So let's tackle those two together.
Life is more like a pair of railroad.
So right now I'm in the live portion of my Formuler Z11 Pro Max. I probably blotted out the program there, but I'm going to leave a top of it so you can see exactly what it does and what's there. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead, once you have it home big screen or full screen like this, on your remote control, you actually have some color-coded buttons. You have a red, you have a green, you have a yellow, and a blue. If you press the green button like this, there's going to be a search bar at the very, very top of that, okay? At the very, very top. So what we want to do now is we just want to search for something. So let's just spell it out. So I'm going to spell weather.
And when at 17, he came to me and he said, "Dad, it's real."
Then I'm going to press the search bar. And what's going to happen, it is going to begin to search, and now it'll find the weather channels and everything, whether it be low bandwidth, everything that my live TV can do, and it'll present it really, really easy right there. So I'm going to go ahead and change it over here. So let's say you want to go from weather, and let's say you want to type in news, okay? So let's go news.
I know where I'm going. Why can't I just
right there? And then I'm going to press the search button. And now it's going to search for the news networks for me. You can see the regional networks. And that's just how you use the universal search. And I think it's really, really powerful because once it's in full swing, you'll see a lot more things coming at it. So that's how you use. First tip is how to use the universal search. Now to get ready to really short video, I had another customer reach out to us, several of them actually, new customers, on how to move different apps on the screen. And so it's pretty easy. What you want to do, let's say, now on my device, I have things set up for apps, and then I got something called Bubba, and I think that's about it. So let's say I want to move the speed test over to the left. What I'm going to do is highlight the speed test like this, hold down the OK button, until a grayish screen comes up. Now you can move the speed test wherever you like. So you can be in the first position, third position, fifth position, or back where it was. When you're done moving it how you want by using the directional arrows on the device, press the back arrow to release it and the back arrow to come back on it. Okay? Now, what I also want to do, that's very simple. So if I wanted to move Splash Top SOS, I would highlight it, hold down the OK button, make sure the grayish background comes in. Then I can move this over left and right and should be good to go. Release it, press the back button, the back button again. All right, so that's a really great way to do that there. Another thing that I wanted to actually share with you is... where is it at right there? I think I'm going to leave off with those two. Then in the next video, we're going to take a look at this app called the Super Smart TV Dynamic Launcher. I think it's really, really awesome. I've been playing with it for about a week, and I think it's, YouTube ready or video ready. So that is how you do a universal search by using the green button on your remote, the search bar, and then also how to move applications back and forth on the homepage. Very, very simple to do. The last thing I wanted to show you is the third thing is how to get rid of or take a look at maybe apps running in the background. So on your remote control, there's a home button. If you tap that home button twice, it'll show you what's there, like it'll show you what I have open. So as you can see, I have a lot of different things open that are actually running in the background, that all I did was tap the home button twice, and these things are running in the background. So to get rid of those, just hit the red button right there on the screen, and it should get rid of those like that. So those are 3 tips on a Sunday, tips and tricks on this Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening. We're grateful since it's March 3rd, 2024. Man, we're going almost 90 days into the new year, and I hope you guys are happy and satisfied with what you have. Hey, don't keep us a secret. We really appreciate people tuning in to our different platforms on YouTube or other platforms. There's going to be some links in the description to check us out at a deeper level. Also, we're going to offer you the one and done on a very good device. I mean, when I say a one and done, it's just my nickname for saying you're going to get 2 to 3 years of unlimited live TV and entertainment through the internet. And it's just worth it, because when you have a device like we resell, we keep the cost down, but the value high. So go ahead and look in the description, follow the links in the description, or text us. We'd be happy to give you a great deal, as low as $150. I mean, we got some really great devices. With that said, thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Sunday, and we'll see you in the next video.